This is Microsoft Word for Beginners, the complete course. In this video, I will teach you everything you need to know to use Microsoft Word effectively. It doesn't matter what version of Word you have, the things I show you in this video will be applicable and useful to you, and I promise you that as you watch this video and follow along and work along, that you will be able to learn to use Microsoft Word effectively. Let's get started. I will begin this first segment by showing you the layout in Microsoft Word and explaining how it works. Then we'll look at how to create and save new Word documents. So when you're using Microsoft Word, if you're not already familiar with Microsoft Excel or PowerPoint, you may find the layout to be a little bit strange and different from what you're used to in other programs. You'll notice up here in the upper left, we have some tabs. We have the Home tab, the Insert tab, we have the References tab, and more. And whenever you click on a tab, what you see here changes. This part of the Microsoft Word layout is called the ribbon. And whenever you click on a tab, the ribbon changes to match the tab that you've selected. So the terminology we use when describing the Excel layout is we click on, let's say, the Design tab, and we get the Design ribbon. When you click on the Insert tab, you see the Insert ribbon. Now the ribbons are divided up in groups. So we have the Tables group, we have the Illustrations group, we have the Media group, etc. Now on some of the ribbons, the groups that are set up, for example the Font group here on the Home ribbon, are so packed with options and features that Microsoft could not fit all of those options and features visibly in the group on the ribbon. And in those cases, you'll see this little button here. So you see one here, you see one here, here, and in other places as well. I like to call these buttons launch buttons. The official name of these buttons is Dialog Launcher, but in my videos I'll just call them the launch buttons. When you click on a launch button, it opens up additional options and features that again couldn't fit in the space provided on the ribbon. So here we have all sorts of font options, we have advanced font options, text effects, and more. I'll cancel out of that. In addition to tabs, ribbons, groups, and launch buttons, you also need to be aware of some other layout features in Microsoft Word. Here in the upper left, we have something called the Quick Access Toolbar, and this is customizable. If you click this button here, you can customize what appears in the Quick Access Toolbar. We have the Title bar. This is where the title of this document is displayed. And then over here in the upper right corner, we have the Close button. When you're done working in Word, or at least in this current document, you can click that Close button and the document will close. Here at the right, we have a vertical